Hey guys, Randy with Horizon Trailers here. Today we'll be looking at the FTZ Flatdeck trailer. With a GVWR of 15,680 pounds and ramp options like the slide-in, stand-up or mount ramps, this trailer is perfect for hauling construction equipment, tractors or anything else on wheels. It comes in a pintle hitch with length options of 20 up to 32 feet or in the gooseneck with length options of 20 up to 44 feet and has two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles. The deck height is at 33 inches and it has a deck width of 102 inches. Follow me as I go through all the features it has to offer. The trailer we are reviewing today is the Gooseneck 26 foot long with mountain ramps. Starting at the front, it has a 2.5/16 Gooseneck adjustable coupler rated at 30,000 pounds, and it has the standard safety features like the 3/8 grade 70 safety chains, the breakaway kit, and a 7-way RV all-weather wiring harness. It has two spring-loaded drop leg jacks rated at 12,000 pounds each, upgradable to the hydraulic jacks if you don't like cranking. In between the tongue, it features the Mega Toolbox, which has a lot of space for storing all your tools, chains, straps, equipment, and anything else you need on the job. Closing it, you will see it has the heavy-duty latch, which you can lock with a padlock. And up here, it has the standard spare tire mount with a spare tire. For the tongue, this FTZ features our nicely fabricated I-beam gooseneck. It has a main frame made of a 12-inch I-beam weighing in at 14 pounds per foot, 3-inch channel cross members spaced 16 inches apart, and pine lumber flooring for the deck. Also, we added a 2x5-inch 11-gauge tubing for the outer deck, giving extra durability. You'll find on both sides it has these retractable steps so you can easily access the deck and easily store them back in place so that they keep out of the way. For securing cargo, it has a rub rail with ID stake pockets, and we have the option of adding D-rings welded to the deck. For the running gear, this FTZ features two 7K Lippert electric brake spring axles on 10-ply tires with 16-inch black mod wheels, upgradable to these nice aluminum wheels if you prefer that. Also, the axles are upgradable to the 8K with 14-ply tires. At the rear of this FTZ, it comes standard with a straight deck and slide-in ramps, where this one has been upgraded to the 5-foot dovetail and mountain ramps. Unlatch the latch, remove the lock, and you can easily open them because they're spring-loaded. Drive up the vehicle or equipment, and if for any reason it doesn't quite fit on the deck, you can also lock them in the up position. And you're ready to go. For lighting, it has these nice big DOT approved Technique LED lights and marker lights here at the rear and along the side for extra visibility. Unlike with all of our other trailers, this trailer goes through a 6-step painting process, which includes steel grip blasting and powder coat, ensuring that the paint is durable. And we also have the option of adding zinc primer undercoat. And with 10 color options to choose from, you can really personalize this trailer to your liking. And remember, all our trailers have a 3-year structure and a 1-year component warranty, plus are NATM certified, giving you peace of mind that if you buy one of our trailers, they will be top quality. If you would like to buy one of these trailers, please visit our website at horizontrailers.com/find a dealer. I'll catch you in the next video.